The food we eat consumes chemical fertilizers rich in hydrogen. The gasoline we pump into our cars is refined with massive amounts of hydrogen. Between the producers of fertilizers and oil refineries, $100 million tons of hydrogen are consumed annually. Unfortunately, today's production of hydrogen is cheap and dirty. The process is called steam methane reforming, separating the hydrogen and carbon from the methane gas through heat. As a result, every year, 1 billion tons of greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere to support fertilizer production and fuel refining. But wait, there is another way. Hydrogen can be extracted from water. This is done by passing electricity through the water, separating hydrogen from oxygen. This is a perfectly clean and safe way to produce hydrogen. The segregated oxygen can be either safely released to the atmosphere or stored for other uses. However, there are several challenges to replace the cheap and dirty hydrogen with green hydrogen. The two most important ones are A. Scale and volume of green hydrogen production to bring down the cost of equipment. And B. Cheap renewable energy. This is a circular problem. If the cost of green hydrogen is not low enough, it cannot replace dirty production. If demand is not there, it cannot be produced at a low cost. That's where we come in. We plan to build and bring into operation by 2022 the largest green hydrogen plant in the world, producing nearly 650 kilograms an hour at a site in California. Why California? First, because California leads the nation in green initiatives. And second, because there are so many renewable energy plants installed already. That nearly 1 million megawatt hours of excess energy gets curtailed during peak production hours. With success of our 35 megawatt pilot plant, we will rapidly build additional production to reach 20 metric tons per day. Even with that capacity, our production will be less than a fraction of 1% of current production of dirty hydrogen. The first market we plan to serve with our pilot plant is transportation. There are more than 40 hydrogen pumping stations in California, with daily capacity of 11 metric tons of hydrogen. Another 20 stations are in development and will increase total daily capacity to 24,000 kilograms. There will be a number of bullet tanks, with some of them on the road distributing the production, while the other tanks are being filled daily at the hydrogen plant. The green hydrogen pump stations will serve heavy-duty transportation around places such as ports in Los Angeles and Long Beach. Our plant will also serve many other pumping stations for light transport. And warehouses using hydrogen-fueled forklifts. Excess daily production of hydrogen will be converted to ammonia and sold for fertilizer production. Our goal is to be the leader in flattening the curve for green hydrogen production. And bring down the costs to match the nearly $2 per kilogram for dirty hydrogen.